how to download or install Skype app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily install the Skype app on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and here simply search for the Skype app. And now here, once you search for it, you'll see the Skype app option on the result page. So simply tap on it and here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the install button. And once you do that, it will start the installation process. And after that, just wait for some time and here once the installation is complete, you can just tap on the open button to launch it. And that's it. That's how you can install the Skype app on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.